Mistake number 1 is not emptying your drawers or cupboards before organizing. Just take your time and look at this image. The image, which is on the left hand side, has a cupboard which is full of stuff, so it's very hard for you to clean it and organize anything having all of these items inside of your cupboard. But if you look at the image which is on the right hand side, you have an empty cupboard, and this is so easy to clean and organize. So remember, it has to look worst before it looks better. The biggest mistake in kitchen organizing is neglecting to completely empty out your cupboards and drawers. Getting everything out of the drawers before you restart organizing does two things. First, it lets you sort out items into groups to start the foundation of your organizing strategy, and the second one is to let you determine whether you have any unnecessary doubles or triples that are taking up vital space in your cupboards or in your drawers. So next time that you reorganize your kitchen or you organize your kitchen, make sure that you take everything out of your cupboards, all of the drawers, so you could clean everything and you can reorganize or organize your kitchen. Mistake number 2 is allowing a junk drawer to become disorganized. Just take your time and look at this image. The image which is on the left hand side has a junk drawer which is completely disorganized. It's very chaotic, and if you open it, I'm pretty sure that no one would be able to find anything. But if you look at the image which is on the right hand side, you have a junk drawer which is perfectly organized and is so beautiful and easy to find everything. There's nothing more appealing to the eye than to having a kitchen drawer that is very well organized and that you could find all of your items. Mistake number 3 is making open shelves look crowded and messy. Just take your time and look at this image. The image which is on the left hand side has an open shelf which is pretty much very disorganized, because it has so many different things, so many different sizes of things, and they have really overcrowded this shelf, and it looks really bad. It looks very disorganized. But if you look at the image on the right hand side, the shelf is very well organized, everything is neatly put in place. So this is very appealing to the eye and it looks very beautiful. Mistake number 4 is keeping too many kitchen appliances on top of your kitchen counters. Just take your time and look at this image. The image which is on the left hand side has a kitchen counter which is full of kitchen appliances. It's pretty much one after the other. This looks very messy and this looks very crowded and disorganized. But if you look at the image on the right hand side, it has a kitchen counter which has only the necessary. So this looks very organized and it looks very neat. And I will give you an example. This is my kitchen counters and I only have the absolute necessary, like my coffee maker, and I also have my toaster. Keep your kitchen appliances out of sight. Whatever kitchen appliance you don't use on a daily basis, just hide them. Put them away inside of a cupboard or inside of drawers. This way, your kitchen counters will never look overcrowded or messy. Mistake number 5 is forgetting to organize your refrigerator or your fridge. Just take your time and look at this image. The image which is on the left hand side has a refrigerator which is very disorganized. Everything is all over the place and it's very hard to find anything. Therefore, if you cannot see what you have, your food is going to go to waste and it's going to rot because obviously you're not going to be able to find it. But if you look at the image on the right hand side, everything is nicely organized and it's organized in clear containers, so it's very easy to see what you have. So next time that you want to organize your kitchen or reorganize your kitchen, remember that you have to organize or reorganize your refrigerator. This is very, very important. Make sure that you organize your refrigerator in clear containers. This way it's so easy to see what you have inside of them, and therefore the food does not go to waste. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to give us a like and to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this one. You're free to share this video with your family and your friends, and thanks for watching.